DIY object-making videos are exploding across social media right now. Just look at this Instagram account. It was created only a few months ago and has already gained over 70,000 followers, with some of its videos pulling in millions of views. The best part? You don't need expensive tools, crafting skills, or hours of editing to join this trend. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create these hyper-realistic viral DIY object videos using AI in less than 5 minutes. Now let's get started. The first step is generating your prompt. To make this process quick and easy, simply open the Google Doc linked in the description below and copy the entire prompt. Next, head over to ChatGPT and paste the prompt into the chat. Then enter the number of DIY cardboard object ideas you want ChatGPT to generate and press Enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a list of unique DIY cardboard project ideas. Browse through the list and choose the one you like best. If you already have a specific idea in mind, you can simply type it instead. Once you've selected your object, press Enter again. ChatGPT will instantly generate a highly detailed AI video prompt that includes everything needed to create a hyper-realistic DIY cardboard construction video. Now it's time to generate our AI DIY cardboard video. For this tutorial, we'll be using Sorio AI. To get started, click the link in the description below. Head over to Sorio AI, click Get Started, and create your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Sorio dashboard, where you'll find a wide range of trending AI video templates and powerful AI video generation tools. For this project, click on Video, then select Text to Video to open the video generation interface. First, set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Next, choose your preferred AI video model. Sorio AI gives you access to some of the industry's most advanced AI video models, including VO3 and Kling AI, all in one platform. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the complete video prompt that was generated earlier, and paste it into the prompt box in Sorio AI. Once everything is ready, click Generate. In just a few moments, Sorio AI will create a hyper-realistic DIY cardboard construction video based entirely on your prompt. Now let's take a look at the final result. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe for more AI content creation tutorials.